Hi, my name's Carla Snyder, and today, with a little help from Heinen's Meal and a Flash Chart, we're going to explore how easy it is to get a delicious, healthy meal on the table. We're going to start off with a vegetarian loaf with a cranberry teriyaki glaze and partner it up with shaved Brussels sprouts with hazelnuts and cranberries. All we have to do is place it on the serving plate in the amounts that you want to eat and pop them in the microwave, heating them in 30-second increments. Remove it from the oven and serve directly right on the table. And if you feel like making it a little bit more interesting, you can use a little bit of honey lime sriracha to jazz up the flavor just a bit. And remember, with a little help from Heinen's, home is where delicious happens.